I got 3 bars here. Three bars should be enough to do what you got to do. Isaac Tripp is the only one on the board. So I have to basically check every day. I should actually do a 3-hour window when I'm out here. 2 hours is pretty tight, man. You could have somebody schedule a car tonight for pickup at fucking midnight. I've done it before. You know, I've had people schedule at 10 to pick up at midnight. It's 8:17 back home. We gotta get going. Let me make sure my zipper is closed for my phone. I got 3 bars right there. You should be able to take care of everything with 3 bars. Download photos and shit like that. If somebody rents a car, I download the photos that I have on my phone. The odometer, everything matches. So you can tell the car hasn't been driven. Watch out for crossing deer. Like I said, there is a way to get across that river, East Fork of the Sevier, where it's not as deep. You have to kind of go downriver, get in the water, drive downriver. Not very far, just a little ways. But it keeps it water level about to the bottom of your engine pan. That I have no issue with. When it comes over the engine, man, that's not good. Get some damage, water intake. You don't want to do that, Kelvin. Only if you got checks from Red Bull coming in, you do shit like that. You don't want to spend money foolishly repairing your bike for something stupid. If you know what I mean, gentiles and ladies, shall I say. Gotta keep your foot poised on the brake, ready to put it down. Wouldn't be unusual to have someone come blaring at you, no lights on. Or the other extreme, where they have too much light on. Just your basic let's take a look at the odometer here. The bike is running great, guys. When you put that new gas in, just your basic 50-mile ride with a 2.5-hour nap in the middle when it was raining. There's a deer right there in front of us. That's an elk, actually. They're very skittish, the elk here. Beautiful animal, though. You can't see it. Hell, I can barely see it.